Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how to delete and clear cookies in Google Chrome. Alright, so as you use Google Chrome and visit sites, you will definitely accumulate cookies. And if you want to delete them, I will show you how. First, just go to Google and you can see that there are three dots over here on the top right screen. So what you want to do is go ahead, scroll down and find settings. Just click on that. Alright, so once you're in here, just go to privacy and security and scroll down again. And you can see that there's an option here for third-party cookies. Just go ahead and click that one. All right, so as you can see, we allow third-party cookies because, of course, we've accumulated them over time. All right, so if you want to delete them, just go ahead and scroll down and you can see that there's an option, see all site data and permissions. Just go ahead and click that one. All right, so you can either just delete specific ones. All you gotta do is to find a site and just click on the arrow over here, and you can see that you can delete specific ones, or you can just go ahead and delete the whole thing from one site using this one, or you can delete all data. Right? And that's basically how we do it.